Welcome to solverfy.
So if we look at exercise 5, we see that we can do this with 3 colors. And the main thing that you want to focus on is starting with the vertex with the most edges connected. That makes it the easiest. So you start with this one, and then you just draw a bunch of different colored lines out from that. And then once you do that, you're able to determine the other lines that aren't connected to that point. So for example, this one. That makes it a lot easier to know that this has to be red because obviously it connects to blue and purple. Then we see a similar point here. We want to pick this one. This one has 6. This one note had 3, and we got 3 colors. This one had 6, and we were able to draw all different 6 colors out from that and coordinate them so that way we just stayed with 6 colors. Let's notice the pattern even further. We picked this one, has 3 edges connected. We drew out our 3 colors and we're able to keep it at 3 colors. Then here, we were able to determine a vertex. They all have 4 vertices. We could start with this one or this one, but regardless, they only have 4 vertices, 4 edges connected to each vertex. And in doing some problem solving, we're able to see that it's possible to keep the edge chromatic number to 4. So if we notice this pattern and keep going with it, we don't really need to go any further because we see that for exercise 9, the edge chromatic number is going to be 3, which is the greatest number of edges. Then for exercise 10, it's going to be 6, since that's the greatest number of edges connected to a single point. And then 11 is going to give us 4. And you can solve those out, kind of complete the puzzle on your own, but this pattern will hold true in all the exercises.